हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदना's ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 10 इंग्लिश कुमार भारती यूनिट 1 1.6 द एल्केमी ऑफ नेचर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके पहले हम 1.5 तक कर चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे तो उन्हें ज़रूर से देखिएगा। प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 1.6 द एल्केमी ऑफ नेचर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसमें सबसे पहले हमें दिया है अबाउट द लेसन। तो आपको आंसर्स देखने के लिए वीडियो पॉज करते रहना होगा बच्चों। इसके बाद में हमें दिया है न्यू वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस। फॉर दिस आल्सो यू हैव टू पॉज द वीडियो। इसके बाद हमें दिया है वार्मिंग अप। Rearrange the good qualities in each set so that the first letter of each of the words should make a meaningful word. Join the sets and get message. This is set 4. Then write such special features of each of the following: land, water, trees, animals, insects. Then make a list of living creatures in the alphabetical order. You can write more than one beginning with the same letter. Then in text questions, first is, how does the hibiscus flower make the most of its short life span? बच्चों, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है या फिर मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर से कीजिए और वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कीजिए। नेक्स्ट इज़, व्हाट रोल डज नेचर प्ले इन आवर लाइव्स? Who is stronger, water or rocks? Justify your response. What teaches us that hard times do not last forever? How? इसके बाद हमारा आता है इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप। What things in nature teach us the following? So these are the questions and here are answers. Then read questions from the lesson. What do they imply? Are you listening? This is the answer of are you listening? What if we too lived our lives, however short, to its fullest? So this one is the answer. What if we too are consistent, organized, focused? Then answer. Next is, go through the lesson again and complete the flow chart that highlights the life of a hibiscus flower. There are 4 points given us. Next is, fill in the web. What does nature do for human beings? Then fifth one, the writer explains the contrasting features of water and rock in the lesson. Write all the features of both water and rock. Then personal response, think and answer in your own words. So these are the questions here. How should you deal with difficulties and problems? We must face them and not run away from them. Find solutions to deal with them. Second, an oyster turns a grain of sand into a pearl. What can we learn from this example? We must convert whatever opportunity life gives us into something valuable and worthwhile. Then third one, how does nature succeed in its alchemy? What can it turn a small person into? Nature succeeds in its alchemy by ushering positive changes in those who pay heed and learn the lesson which nature imparts. A small person can change into a great person by hard work, determination, and persistence. And the fourth one, which two aspects of nature teach us to accept changes and adjust according to its situation? Just as season changes, even phase in a life too changes. Next, be persistent in our life. If the water can change the shape of the rock, why can't we change and eliminate our problems? Then fifth one, why does the writer begin by quoting the lines from William Blake's poem? So the writer does this because she wants us to look at nature and see how the alchemy of nature is working around us. She wants us to take sums up lessons from the poem to make us strong and bold. It sums up the message conveyed by the lesson. Next, impossible itself says, I am possible. Do you agree? Justify your answer by citing something that you have experienced or heard from someone. So for this you have to pause the video. Next, let's analyze. So parts of nature, feature value learned. Then grammar and vocabulary building. Pick out from the lessons 10 examples of each concrete nouns that you can touch or see. For example, sand. So these are the 10 examples of concrete nouns. Then you have to give the 10 examples of abstract noun. Abstract nouns that which you cannot touch or see. Then underline the verbs in the sentence below and say whether they are transitive needing an object or intransitive need not have an object. So this is transitive, transitive, intransitive, intransitive, transitive. Then language studies, simple questions, make meaningful sentences by using the given phrases in full splendor. Then yet if we persist. Then from form 2 present participle by first doubling or repeating the last letter of the original word, cutting, fanning. Arrange the following words in an alphabetical order. Use the adverbs in a sentence of your own completely. Then impressively. Write two compound words. Then use the correct alternatives given of the homograph, homophones. Use the given homograph in your own sentences to bring out its meaning. So park. Then write down a pair of homophones with the difference in meaning. Cell. Make a word register of 8 words related to animals. Prepare a word register of words related to science. Spot the error and correct the sentence. Then pick out the infinitives from the following sentence. Find the hidden words of minimum 4 letters from instinctively. Unhindered. Next, complete the following word chain with nouns: success, service, emotions, nature, experience. Identify the type of sentence. Fill in the blanks with present participle or gerund or infinitive. Pick out the gerund from the following sentence. Punctuate the following sentences. From two past participles by first doubling the last letter. Pick out the correct modal auxiliary and state its function. Do as directed. Pick out clause and name it. Change the degree of comparison. Challenging questions. Use the given words as noun as well as verb. So touch and color. Change the sentence as per given instructions. Use the given word as a noun and as a verb into two different sentences. Read the extract carefully and do the activities. Simple factual activities. Arrange the sentences in proper order of the occurrence. So this is the answer. Match column A with B. So answers are given here. First ka B, second C, 3D, 4A. Complex factual. The lifespan of hibiscus flower can be compared to the stages in life. Match the stages of the flowers with that of man. So answers are here. Blooms, birth, smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. Youth, evening approaches and it starts waiting. Old age, it withers completely. Death. Select the correct alternatives that explains the meaning of the given word or phrases. The rock gives in. In full splendor. Then vocabulary. Give three adjectives that apply to the following nouns: hibiscus flower, big, bright, tender, rocks, carved, sculpted, shaped. Fill in the blanks with the suitable describing words. So first, majestic ocean, colossal problems, full splendor, rocky beach. Do as directed. Then personal response. Explain. Our problems are so colossal and we are so small. तो वीडियो को पॉज कीजिए, आंसर लिखिए और अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से कर लीजिए. Then name the following. They take new shape. Every passing moment. Clouds, they have frail feelers. Ants, it has no hint of ego. Water, it is the magical process of transforming nature. Alchemy, they contain pearls, oyster, it has a 7 colors, rainbow. Complete the web by using words related to ants. So ants, organized, impressive, perseverance, teamwork, consistent, focused. Then complex factual activities state the special features of the following. So ants, spider webs, rainbow, clouds, stars, wind, water. Vocabulary, find words from the extract that mean the following. So answers are frail, innumerable, commands, logging. Then antonyms, organized, unorganized, impressive, unimpressive, with, without, experience, inexperience. Then put in alphabetical order. इसके बाद में आता है हमारा डू एज डायरेक्टेड. आपको बच्चों का ग्रामर का कोई भी टॉपिक है जो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर से बताइए, मैं उस टॉपिक पर वीडियो ज़रूर बनाऊंगी. देन पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स. व्हाट लेसन्स डू वी लर्न फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. तो फर्स्ट इज एंट्स, second oysters, clouds, water. Then prepare a fact file of any of the following plants, trees using the points given below. So these are the points they have given us and this is your answer. A fact file on coconut palm, name of the plant, scientific name, region and climate, features, growth, size, shape, color, uses. Then write a news report on the Environment Day celebrated in your school. So World Environment Day celebration in AI Muminaha High School by a student reporter. You have to write here your name, your school's name. Then read the following information and write it into do's and don'ts. Give a suitable title for it. Outside the central library, there is a board displaying some rules and regulations for the members. They are as follows. So these are the questions. The rules are given here. And afterwards, do's and don'ts to be followed by the member of the central library. So these are the do's that you have to do and don'ts means that you don't have to do all these things. Then just for laugh enjoy. बच्चों इसी के साथ में हमने यूनिट 1 कंप्लीट कर दिया है. अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे यूनिट 2 के 2.1 के साथ. तब तक टेक केयर एंड कीप वॉचिंग वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.